Y'all, hit the like button, okay, for the Loc Crown. She is the moment. In honor of the ancestors and Black History Month. We black every month though. Get into the details, y'all. Get into the details. And it's literally sitting on top of her head. Boop, put the crown on, sis. Y'all ain't never seen a crown like this. Have you guys ever seen a Loc crown like this? An avant-garde lock style like this? 100% locks, okay? There is no, nothing in here holding this up. This is all locks, okay? This is all locks. And lock styling techniques and creativity. This is all locks. There's no sticks or nothing in here that's holding this up. You know, it's not. It's just locks, as you guys can see. And it literally is doing what it's supposed to do. Is a crown. It's sitting on her head. And I can put a crown on your head. Okay? Get into the details, y'all. Swimming in the deep end. I'm sick with it. Y'all think I be playing when I say I can do anything I can think of for locks. I ain't playing, bro. I'm dead ass. I'm dead ass. For real. Sir says a heart attack. I ain't playing. I'm playing, but I ain't playing. You feel me? Because I be having too much fun. Let me know what y'all think about the Loc Crown, alright? I'm proud of her. I did that, y'all.